Okay, let's go. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to do some marking for me. I want it to identify and correct some sentence errors from a group of learners. Could do it as individuals, but I would like a group. So that's the objective, to analyze sentences, identify errors, and create a table, provide improvement rules for learners. I'm going to just paste in a prompt that I've made earlier. A prompt is a set of instructions. So let's just read through this before I let the software do its work. So we do a kind of setting a parameter here. We say you are a highly experienced ESOL teacher who is expert in teaching lower level English learners, right? So I'm just priming it there. Uh, Analyze the following sentences from these learners. Identify a maximum of 3 grammatical errors related to verb tense, articles, nouns, adjectives, and adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and let's get rid of that, sentence structure in each sentence. So I want it to particularly look for these. Also identify spelling, punctuation, and capitalization errors, but I don't want to be overwhelmed with the errors. So I've said just look for 3 in each of them. Later I could talk in terms of mission critical errors or errors that really impede understanding. But anyway, first, write a corrected version of each sentence directly beneath its uncorrected version so that they form a pair. Name each learner with their sentences. Um, it's not, it will find that that's clear enough. When all of the learners' corrected and uncorrected sentences have been written, this isn't grammatically correct, but next, under this, write a line for each error type found in the sentences. So tally the number of errors for each type of error. So this is a particular step that needs to be done before other steps, before a table that I'm going to be asking it to do. Great. So evaluate these errors considering an entry 1 ESOL blah, 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 and using both the original sentences and their corrected versions, create a table. So I want you then to, let's go to the end here, provide each learner with a concise informal rule, no more than 8 words, that they should focus on for improvement. So let's go to the work that I want it to mark. So let's get from Mariam down there. Good. So I'm going to copy this work. My learners did that last week. I'm going to put it into the prompt here. See if it's put into the learner input, as it were, learner language. Let's just go there. Great. And then I'm going to copy it all. Good. That's copied. And we go to ChatGPT and we go for a new chat. And I'm going to go for 4. And let's see what happens. Great. So here we go. I'm upset because I'm feeling good. It's looked there for a punctuation. So it's actually totting up all of the different kinds of errors that it can find at the moment. And that's important. It's important that it does it in this order, because later I'm going to ask not just for corrections, but for advice. There we go. Good. No errors. And these can be given to the learners in a more friendly version. Good. That's good. It's gone over my 8-word limit, but I can live with that. And there we go. It's not done the table as yet, but I think that's going to do. to